What's up, guys? Fine, Today I just want to do another update video of the Genelec push washer here. Here it is. As you can see, it did run again. I'm doing the house. I asked about it yesterday. We gotta actually probably customize the button a little bit, just in case I'm. And so you can see it is sitting right there. You can see it doesn't look as bad. But you can see looks like didn't go. It doesn't really let it form into, which is actually kind of expected. But I mean, so look around this. I mean, look at this. Machine looks very nice and detailed. I know we had to keep putting gas in here because this thing just keep going out and keep going out of gas like twice. Because the gas tank, we did take off the little plastic thing that was holding the gas tank, and that's just because of the cover is sitting over here. Basically, the button moved, and anything like that.